So you're looking to encapsulate your crawl space. Perhaps you don't trust the local contractors. Maybe you want to save some money and you're thinking, exactly how difficult is this project going to be? Well, I had a conversation with George from New York, and he tells us exactly how difficult this project is. But make sure you stay tuned to the end, because I've got a product that I want to share with you that'll help you if you decide to tackle your own crawl space, as well as a new feature that we have on our DIY store. So on a scale from 1 to 10, you sound like you're a pretty handy guy. You can do a lot of different things. On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you say this project would rank?
I would say a 9.
Why did you decide to do this project yourself? Because obviously this isn't an easy thing to do.
I didn't know much about the crawl space. I thought whatever was down there was fine. But then one day the waistline pipe busted. So for months, I didn't know that had busted. And my wife kept telling me, and she got a good sense of smell. And I kept telling her, nah, that's probably the vent pipes from bathrooms and the vent pipe from the jacuzzi, or the vent pipe from the washer dryer. And she says, no, for months this has been going on. So one day I decided to go down there to look when I hear the water dripping. So now I said, okay, I'll clean out this plastic, because now the whole crawl space had a lot of waste. And, the stuff that comes out of waste, it was all dripping on, and it was all over the crawl space. It is a mess. It was water, plastic, crap all over the poly that was existing there. And it wasn't even properly covered, but I thought that's the way it's supposed to be, until I started looking online and seeing the spaces that you had and the work that you guys are showing on there. So I started looking at what I needed, how much effort it takes. Is it specialized knowledge that you need? And I'll tell you one thing, all the information that you had online helped me, because now I knew exactly what to do. And you clear it out, you drop the space, and then you apply the cleaner, the protectant, fix it up, clear all the wires, the whole piping, reseal everything, and clear all the joists, seal everything up. And then from that point, little by little, I started fixing it.
That's great.
And now it's a pleasure going down there.
Well, obviously I don't know your wife, but I can imagine the "I told you so."
Yeah, pretty much. That's exactly. She has a really good sense of smell. It's like, don't you smell that? I don't smell anything.
Well, and I just like to bring that up, because I did a video a while back that the worst thing a DIYer can do is start the project and not finish it. And I think that people go into this without their eyes wide open. And for somebody like you who's built a front porch from scratch and who's redone their septic system, to call this a 9 out of 10 difficulty, I just think that puts it in perspective. Now, granted, not everybody's got a flooded bunch of poop in their crawl space that you had to deal with. But even after that, it was still difficult.
The other challenge was that you have to have a good back, because I only had, 3.5, 4 feet of space underneath there, and going back and forth. And then if you forget one tool that's all the way on the other side, now you got to crawl to that side to come back. Wow, that was some great information, and it certainly was a pleasure talking to George about his crawl space project. And if you would like to be a guest on our YouTube channel after you tackle your own project, we'd love to have you. But as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, one of the things I want to share with you is, if you're looking to tackle the crawl space yourself, you should really check out the insulation vapor barrier, now available on the DIY store. This is a great product to eliminate the need for foam board. A lot more easy to install, takes less time. It's a great, great product. We have exclusively moved away from the foam board and are now installing insulation vapor barrier on every Crawl Space Ninja project. And I also want to tell you that now we have made it available for our DIY customer service representative to do a video call with you on diy.crawlspaceninja.com. So if you would like to share your schematics or show pictures of your crawl space with our customer service representatives, there is a link on that website as well. I'm Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.